Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 34th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 34th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in calcium. Cheese is rich in calcium, which is vital for the development of the baby's bones and teeth. Cheese contains various B vitamins, including B12, which is important for the formation of red blood cells. Multigrain bread sandwich. Ingredients: multigrain bread, 2 slice, onion, 1 slice, tomato, 1 slice, cucumber, 1 slice, cheese, 1 slice, mint chutney, 1 teaspoon, green chili, 1 number, butter, 1 teaspoon. Multigrain bread sandwich. For the 34th week, let us see how to make this. Place 2 bread slices on a plate, spread the mint chutney evenly over each slide. Arrange the vegetables evenly on one side and add cheese on top. Cover the bread slice and apply butter on the top, then grill it evenly. Serve hot and crispy. A vegetable cheese sandwich provides essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein. Is quick and easy to prepare, making it a convenient option for busy pregnant women. It can be a good option when you're experiencing cravings or need a snack between meals. And then, hope you liked the 34th week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.